the upper front level, and we're going to replace this shingle. Again, we need to break the seal. After breaking those 1, 2, 3 seals, now we're going to see the condition of the shingle, of the fastener below. See, you all can see this is crooked and it is too deep. This is okay. We are not going to touch that, but it's this one that we need to work with. This one is all crooked. This nail is okay. This one is all crooked. This one is crooked, it's a little too high. So crooked, but it's too deep also. This one is crooked and too deep. All right. When we have fasteners that are too deep in, those fasteners in most cases do pass through the shingle, like this one. This one did pass through the shingle. So one already passed through the shingle. Two passed through the shingle. So now we're ready to pull out the shingle that we, okay? So we see that this fastener did pass through the shingle, that one and this one. This one, these three, 1, 2, 3, pass through the shingle. So now we are proceeding to install the new shingle, and we're going to lift the shingle above only to have the ability to nail down the shingle below. Okay. I want you to look closely, but you can see the creasing right here. Oh, these tabs right here. So these repairs, you see, is causing more damages. See all this right here, and you see how it breaks from here. So these repairs are not good. Look carefully right here. The creasing is right here. See? So when you lift the shingle, it doesn't go up like this one that is curved. Look, but this one, it breaks right here. See? It's difficult to see it, but it's right here. Reason why, lift it and it breaks here. Look, this one is like it bends. See? You don't see the creasing on this end. The creasing is right here. Look, you can see it right here. Look, see, right there. Here, the creasing is right here at the time that we make the repair. So these repairs fail.